Why do 80% of people underestimate the power of a cough? A single cough can send saliva droplets flying up to 20 feet. That's right, 20 feet. And get this, those droplets can speed through the air at up to 50 miles per hour. It's like your mouth turns into a mini jet engine. Imagine the reach. That's why covering your mouth is so important. But wait, there's more. Ever wonder why colds and flu spread so easily? This is a big reason why, next time you feel a tickle in your throat, remember this. Your cough can travel faster than a speeding bicycle. Stay healthy, stay safe, and keep those coughs covered. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing health tips.